Hi everyone, thanks for joining me here today. My name's Andy Tyshan. I'm a photographer with over 40 years experience. From time to time on my channel I'm going to share a few hints and tips to help you get the most out of your photography gear and equipment. Today I'm going to go over how to change a tripod head. It's really easy, doesn't take long, only needs one basic tool for most tripods. So let's go, let's get this underway and let's change this tripod head over and show you how simple it is. Alright, so we've got a basic Manfrotto tripod here, aluminium legs, pan and tilt head. We're going to change this over to just a generic ball head. I'm going to show you how easy it is. Let's go. Alright, so when you're changing this, the first thing you want to do, loosen off the center column nut and just take this out to its full extension. It's going to make it way easier to work with. Tighten it back up so that it's not sliding while you're working on it. And you can see on the underside of the head here, we'll take this right up, there are some set screws in there. Now these screws are basically what stops this head from rotating. To get the head off, we've only got to loosen off those screws and then rotate it off. So let's go. I've got a screwdriver handy here. We're just going to put the flathead screwdriver into these screws, these set screws, and we don't have to take them out all the way. We've only got to loosen them off. Now when you're doing this, just make sure that you do not drop these if you're doing it out in the field. They would be really easy to lose. You've only got to loosen them off a little bit so that you can get the rotation going on that head. So we'll get in here, loosen these off. On this head there's only 3 of them. Just make sure we're not taking them too far because we do not want to lose these in the grasp because we might struggle to find them again. Okay, so we've loosened them off. Now that we've loosened them off, this is how easy it is to change this. You're just turning that. Simple. There we go. We've now got an exposed 3/8 of an inch nut exposed on the top of the tripod. So theoretically now this will take any head that has a 3/8 of an inch screw thread on it. So I've got one handy here, a generic ball head. As you can see here, now to replace it, all we're doing, we're just screwing that straight back on. Give it a quick spin. Get our screws. All we've got to do, tighten them back up. These screws on the underside, these set screws, are basically just a fail-safe to stop any head that you have on the tripod coming off accidentally. So we've tightened them up nice and tight. There we are. You've got a ball head in exchange for a pan and tilt head. That's how easy it is. And basically the main thing you just got to watch for is don't loosen those screws too far that you go and lose them. All you got to do, just loosen them off enough to be able to just rotate that head and put another head on. That way you can put on a ball head, a pan and tilt head, a gimbal head. There's so many options and it just makes your gear that you've already got way more versatile. So if you like what I'm showing on this channel, give me a thumbs up. Even better, hit the subscribe button. I'm always putting new content out there. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.